Do it again. Rodney? Rodney? Do you like homework? I'm trying to do my homework, but you're kind of distracting me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here. Homework. Oh my god. Oh, Rodney. You're cute. Here, here's a pencil. My cat likes homework. Wow. Look at that. Look what you're doing to my homework. Okay, my cat's going psycho. He's eating my homework. He's eating my social studies book, and he's eating my math homework. You're crazy, kitty! You're crazy! You're crazy! Ow! You're crazy! Ow! You just scratched me. Arr. Arr. Hey! Don't eat it! Gosh! You're a silly cat. He's eating my social studies book now. This is a psychopath. Hey! Rodney, quit eating my homework. He mauled me when I was— Hey, don't do that. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, don't do that. Hey, let go. Rodney. No. You can't do that. Hey, quit it. And don't eat my book either. Not even my book. Stop it. My cat's eating my iPod now, too. It's not very smart, Rodney. Hey, don't do that. Stop it. Hey, don't eat my iPod.